Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Do It with Lisa, and in this video I'll be showing you how I converted my old shower mat into a shaggy rag. So if you are interested in seeing how I did it, please keep watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. To do the rag, I used an old shower mat. It's so dirty, even if I wash it, it still remains the same. I used a blue yarn and a white one. I used the scissor. Those are the white wrapped yarns. I used a safety pin. At first I was using a seam ripper, but it got broken. So to finish the whole rag, I was using a safety pin. You're going to take the yarn, wrap it around your hands to make a pom-pom. So you wrap, you wrap, you wrap. I wasn't measuring, I wasn't counting, so you're just gonna wrap. You can make it small, big pom-pom, it all depends on you, on how you want to make it. So yes, you're just gonna wrap it like that. And then once you are happy with the size, you're going to cut it. Cut another string of yarn. It's better for you to watch than me explaining. So you're just gonna tie it. So it must be tied. So what I did is I tied it twice. Then after here, you're going to take the scissor. You're just gonna cut on those sides. The following day, this thing is something that you can do while you're watching TV, while you're relaxing. It's not something that you can finish in one day. So I used a safety pin to insert the long strings of yarn at the back of the shower mat. You're going to take all the pom-poms, do the same thing for the rest of them. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm taking one string on the other side and one string a little bit further than the other one, so that they are wide. You will see when I turn it over how it's going to look. After inserting the pom-poms, I then make sure that I turn the mat over, combine the loose ends of the pom-pom, tie them together, and make sure that too tight for the pom-poms not to be loose or go out if something were to pull them, or if I were to pull them. And at the end, this is how my shaggy wig looks. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.